See how easy it is to create an online store with Facestore. The first step is to create a new product. Start filling the product details. Select the category, brand, and fill the description. Create discount campaigns with start and end date. Select the sales channels. Upload the product's image. Fill your company's data. After completing the catalog, you can set your store online and start selling. Now, start promoting your store through social media for your customers and get your first sales.